and I would like to welcome our resource persons today for this event, Mr. M. Adil Sheikh and Anas Ibrahim, to have a lecture for this event. So, the main aim of conducting this workshop is to create an awareness about the law-related career. Today, these days, we feel law is very important for us because most of the youngsters are not aware about the government rules and regulations. What are the different amendments that has been taken place in the past years. So it is very important to know about the purpose of the government, then structure as well as the constitutional laws. So today our speakers are going to elaborate and create an awareness about the must-know things regarding a person, an individual, a citizen has to know in their day-to-day life. So please pay attention for every points they are going to discuss today. So it will be very valuable for you. Okay? So now I would hand over this session to our resource persons. So they will be starting the session. Thank you.